What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Orbs again po. And yes, of course, another blessed day and another reaction video tayo. Guys, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. And today guys, magre-react tayo sa bagong release na music video ni Kong TV, which is yung Lason. This is new guys. I think this was 8 days ago bago niya after niya i-upload, no. Tara na, panoorin natin to. I know a lot of you kilala na si Kong TV. Ginagawa niya talaga tong mga ganitong content, no. And he's very talented too. Tara na, panoorin na natin. And guys, before that, meron man lang nakalagay dito sa video nila, no. The greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist. So, medyo malalim to ha. For me. Tara na, wag na natin patagalin, panoorin na natin tong music video nila. Let's do this. Well guys, opening pa lang, I think this is a medyo rock yung dating, medyo loud music and song to, no? Tara na. Hey! Kong TV! Gusto ko malaman, gusto ko makita sa video na to ano ba yung story behind Lason na song, no. And based sa tema ng kanilang video, this is kana medyo, I think parang scary type, or I don't know. Let's find out. Hey Kong! Based nga sa kanilang opening guys, I think this is gonna be a rock song. But of course, there is a story behind. Ayun yung alamin natin. So stay tuned lang kayo guys. Guys, I don't know kung sino yung vocalist na yun, no, sa banda na to, no. This is the first time I saw this band, lalo na yung kumanta sa opening, no, na vocalist. And I don't know why it's not Kong. Guys, if you know the story behind this music video, please comment down below. Gusto kong malaman yan. Kwento nyo naman sa akin sa comment section. Mag-ingat ka, wag kukurang. Ang pangil niya'y di halata. Ilang taon nang nagmamasid, nahuli ko sa kanyang bibig. Bakit ganito yung setup ng kanilang music video? Like, it's parang, it's giving me a horror scene, no? Parang medyo nakakatakot yung scenario. Pero the song was about reality, I think. Kami paaway kay makukuha. Pasok ka sa kanyang madilig na naiging. Hey! Hey, Kong! Guys, what I can say, no, parang yung story is parang it's a group of people na nasa haunted place or haunted house. I don't know what is the connection behind Lason song to the scene na pinapakita nila sa atin. So far, sobrang ganda. Kilala naman natin ang Kong TV when it comes sa kanilang cinematography na tinatawag, no, yung type of video, no. Ganyan yung binibigay nilang flavor sa atin, which is very interesting for me. Ako ay nakakamo. ang bisa ng iyong gayuma ay hindi na sa'kin tatagos. Medyo confused lang ako dito sa music video nila, no? Siguro since this is the first time I listen to this uh, song, no, hindi ko pa siya masyadong ma-adapt, and parang sobrang contradicting na in a nice way the song itself, Lason, to a music video na parang horror theme yung datingan.
Minsan nahihito, isang anghel na may boses ng diablo. May tubibo ba sa balat mo? Napaikot mo lang ako.
And guys, salute to the vocalist lead, no, sa lead vocalist ng banda na to. If you know his name and the name of the band, guys, please comment down below para makilala pa natin sila. And also, guys, again, as you can see sa kanilang video, no, why it's parang horror theme? Ayun yung question sa akin eh.
Ilang taon nang nagmamasid, nahuli ko sa kanyang bibig. Kahit paawa, ika'y makukuha. Pasok ka sa kanyang madilig na daigdig.
Hey! The transition, the video, very nice. Sobrang ganda nun. Hey, Kong! It's very nice to see again Kong, performing this kind of, video or content, no, na kumakanta siya, and this time this is gonna rock ng atake. Hindi ko lang masyadong naririnig, or siguro hindi lang na-emphasize dito yung boses ni Kong, no, while singing, kasi syempre merong backup song and backup singers na naririnig. Pero for me, it's a good thing kasi mas nabuhay yung music na to, no, yung Lason na kanta. Plus the music video, it's very interesting. Anong connect ng Lason sa, medyo horror theme na video. Hey! Ang ganda na, na? Kita nyo ba yan, guys? Yung scene na yan, sobrang ganda ng framing, sobrang ganda, and Kong is standing there and there's someone behind na atake sa kanya, like the gang is there. Isang anghel na medyo boses na Diablo. Ooh. Ah! May biglang creature na lumabas, no? It's a demon creature, I think. No, na biglang lumabas. Hey! Ayan na nga! Ala! Napakaganda ng editing skills talaga ng production na team ni Kong, no? Sobrang ganda, nice ng ganito. This is very new and very, um, uh, panibago sa panglasa natin, no, ng mga nanonood sa kanila. And this is very innovative for me. Hey! Ah! Bakit parang may mga power sila bigla?
Sa wakas magtatagpo ang bisa ng iyong kayumang sa akin ay di natatagos.
Wow, very nice. Napaka-nice ng editing, ng video, ng theme. Very nice. Lason. Alright, I think that is for today, guys. That's it for today. So guys, no, balikan natin yung nakalagay doon sa opening ng video nila, which is the greatest trick the devil ever pulled was convincing the world he didn't exist. So sa video, no, parang nakita ko doon na parang nilabanan nila yung devil, and based sa song ang yung laso na hindi na sa akin tatagos. And also the word na boses anghel sa likod ng Diablo. Boses Diablo, no? So I think this is about something na gusto nilang ipakita sa atin na inside of ourselves meron tayong mga devil side talaga, no? And pinakita doon how we can fight that. So ayun yung nakikita ko personally, this is my own opinion based sa pinanood natin. And yun lang naman guys, I hope you enjoy this video and sana nag-enjoy din po kayo, no? And guys, again, kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod natin videos. Yun lang naman po, kita-kita tayo sa susunod. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. See ya!